Okay, so write the equation of a quadratic graph that has a vertex at 2, 3 and contains the point 0, 0. What are some things that we know about that? Is there anything that you know about it? Yeah. Good. All right, so far we know this. We know we're going to have y equals something, and he knows we have x minus 2 inside of there squared. What about with the 3? What should I do? Plus 3, right? So plus 3. Okay, so we know that much. Now, the only thing we don't know is what a should be. Can anybody think of how I can figure out what a should be? Go ahead. Yeah, plug in what for x, 0 for x, and then what for y? 0. So I'm going to plug in 0 for y, I'm going to plug in 0 for x, and this is what I have to solve. And if I solve this for a, then I know what a is, and I can write the function. So I'm going to have 0 equals negative 2 squared is 4a plus 3. So now I'm just solving this for a, so I'm going to get 4a equals negative 3. So a is going to be negative 3/4. So now I know what a is. So my function then is going to be y equals negative 3/4 times x minus 2 squared plus 3. And if I wanted to see if that's correct, I can look at it on the graphing calculator. So let's go to the graphing calculator now. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to type in the function that we just came up with. And that function was y equals, what is it again? Oh, I know, I just wanted you to do it separately. Did I write down the equation? What was it?
Y equals negative 3/4. And then parentheses x minus 2 squared plus 2.
Okay, so that's the equation we came up with. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my table. And if we've done this correctly, I got to set up my table. I just want it to go by ones. If we did this correctly, we should see those points. 0, 0, yep, we see it. And 2, 3, we see it. And now we can even look at the graph and make sure it's a parabola. So that would be a parabola that's going through that point 2, 3, and also that point 0, 0. I can see that vertex is at 2, 3. Or I could even do this. Second, calculate the maximum, because that's a high point. I make sure I'm on the left side of it. I hit enter. Make sure I'm on the right side of it. Hit enter. Enter one more time. And it's telling me that that high point right there is 2, 3. It'll never be exact on that because it's actually trying to count it, and it's not as exact as we knowing that the vertex is 2, 3. Okay? Questions? You can do that, right? Okay, guys. Good job. That's it for today. Did I give you the yellow sheet yet with your assignment on it? Okay, let me give you that.